Hey there guys, PortalMaster9351 here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about when we may be able to expect some more news about Skylanders Trap Team, what I think that news will be about, and just some other speculative stuff. So none of this is fact. I'm pretty sure this is all going to be not facts. It's going to all be speculation. So just saying that up front. So, right now we're kind of in the point that we call the informational drought. Now, luckily, we haven't had nearly as much informational drought this year, as we didn't learn about Trap Team until April. And, you know, E3 was only a month, like a little bit more than a month away. So, you know, there wasn't much of a drought there. But at this point, we have a pretty big drought. The next big event that Skylanders has always been featured at is Games, I can't remember if it's Gamescom or Gamescom. It's one of those two. And basically, that was where somebody found the Giants poster, in Skylanders Giants. There wasn't much information there, SWAT Force related, but I'm betting there's going to be something there, Trap Team related. And if you'd like to know why, it's because, if you think about it, they have to announce the Frito-Lay naming contest characters. They have to. The winner has been decided, and there was one person from one of the entries, one of the finalists, one was from California, one was from North Carolina, and one was from somewhere else, but I can't remember where that was. Seems like it was East Coast. Seems like it, but I can't think of where it was. Anyways, they have to announce the winner of that, and what better place to do it at than a large event. And I think that that's going to be a really good time for them, because, you know, good publicity and such. So on to what I'm expecting there. I'm expecting more information on how you'll be able to increase the villain timer and stuff. I'll also be interested in hearing about the 3DS starter pack. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised at all, and I'm sorry, my hair is still messed up back there from this morning. It's still messed up. It was messed up earlier this morning, too, when I made the other video. I think that I wouldn't be surprised if the next Skylanders event was not, and I repeat, does not feature the console edition. They might make a whole event dedicated to the 3DS version. And you want to know why I'm betting that? It's because of the sidekicks. They have to announce that at some point. They logically cannot wait till launch to tell us, oh, by the way, sidekicks, you know, blah, 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 and blah, 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 and, like, just throw them out on the shelves. You can't do that. That logically does not make sense, and Activision has, I'm sure, tons of logistics people, and they're not going to let that happen. And anyways, there's probably going to be very little information found out in October, considering it comes out on the 5th. We'll probably know everything, or almost everything by then. But in a way, I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't learn anything if we didn't learn some things until launch. I wouldn't be completely surprised. They are, as I made the video, I think Activision is hiding something. I made that video saying, basically, there's something they're not telling us, and it's somehow markedly strategic. There is something that's out there that they do not want us to know. And Mateo Max had actually on the forums had posted that they're not done with Trap Team yet. The developers, Toys for Bob, are not done with the game yet. They've had 2 years. What the heck is the holdup? I mean, I understand why it would take a long time, you know, to do a video as fleshed out as this. A video game, sorry, to do something as fleshed out as this. But it's just amazing that they're not done yet. What is the holdup? Why? Why make such a big change in the villain health in the villain bar? It's like they wasted all last year. It's like they didn't do anything. I think that this might be an indicator that they were stumped for a really long time as to what to do for Trap Team. Because if they knew for 2 years what they were going to do, then it would have been done, like, several months ago. But they're not even hoping to have it done by this month. Mateo said that they're actually hoping to get it done August and to September. That's at least another month, if not 2. September is the month before launch. These figures should be in production by now. Why are they not in production? Why is this stuff? It doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. So, I think that they didn't really know what they were going to do for this next game. And this is a lot of just opinionated stuff right here. But, you know, I don't know what they're doing that could just possibly cause them to hide so much stuff. And, you know, Gear Shift was shown at E3 privately. Do you know why they showed her privately? Because her animation wasn't done. There was a 15-second video posted online of small amounts of Gear Shift gameplay, and it was snuck. You could tell it was shot on an iPhone. You could tell. And then it was like, you know, hidden, like a guy was like this. They were trying to sneak the footage. They snuck it, and they uploaded it. And it was this choppily animated Gear Shift going. It wasn't smooth. Like, her gear blade was over here, and then it was over here, and then it was over here. Instead of fluid motion. It was choppy. They're not done with this game. It's like they're not even close to being done with this game. And that doesn't make any sense at all. So, I'm just saying here that it might be that they want to share more information with us, but they can't share more information than they've shared, because what they've shared with us is all the information they have. What if that's the case? We know that they have all the villains done. That we know they have done. And that's simply because the man that was doing the gameplay footage of the Skylanders Academy said, we can't open the vault because it has an intro of all capturable villains. So that means that obviously they have all the villains figured out and such. What they don't have, for sure, is the fine details down. Because they went up to play Skystone Smash with Dreadbeard. And after they were done, it said, no text assigned. As in, they had not coded the response that Dreadbeard made when you win Skystone Smash. That is scary. That is scary to me that they haven't done that. And that they showed it at E3. What is not done that they didn't show? What? It blows my mind. It seems like they're unprepared for what they're doing. And that doesn't make any sense. They should be pros at this. This is their third game. Their third game. You know, Toys for Bobs. It doesn't make sense. And that's about all I can tell you. That this mostly doesn't make sense. The sidekicks, why haven't they announced that yet? It looks to be like a major focal point of gameplay in the 3DS version. Why haven't they announced it? And my consensus is they haven't announced it because they haven't completely figured it out yet. And that's all I have to say about that. So anyways, this has been the purely speculative video as to why we don't know as much as we usually do. This has been PortalMaster9351. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time. People. Peace out. Bye-bye. Sayonara. Hasta la vista. Ciao.